Hello friends, in this module we are going to discuss our 10th question. A box contains 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 90. So what are how many discs? Number of discs. Number of discs 90. So let's going to write sample space for this. The set of sample space, that is capital S, let's going to take. So these are the numbers from 1 to 90 and so on up to 90. So number of sample space, how many discs are there? 90. So this is the thing. Now what is our next one? They are given, if one disc is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that it bears first one as a two digit number. So how many numbers? What type of number? Two-digit number means let's going to write, let A is the event denoted. A is the event denoted that drawn disk bear two-digit number. So what they are asking here is probability that it bears drawn disk bears two-digit number. So let's go into write what is the sample space for this. That is event two-digit number will start from here 10, 11, 12, 13 and so on up to 90. So from 11 to 20 is a 10 actually. So 10 is the extra one here. 10 is the extra one. 11 to, so 90 minus 10 will be 80. So up to from here to here, how many numbers? 80 numbers are there. Here only one did. So that is 80 plus 1. That one will be 81. So this is number of even. So number of two-digit numbers are 81. So that is the case here. Number of two-digit numbers or other. So therefore number of two-digit numbers are 81. So that is the number of two-digit numbers are 81. So what is the probability? The probability, let's going to take probability of this one will be number of two-digit numbers by total number of discs, that is n of s. So n of a is 81 by 90. 81 by 90. 9 9s are, then 9 10s are. So 9 by 10 is the probability. 9 by 10 is the probability. Then we're going to see our second one. What is that? A perfect square number. Perfect square number. Let's going to take B is the event denoted drawn disk bears what you can write it here is drawn disk bears a perfect square number. So that is the case here. Then what is the perfect square numbers? So let's going to write it. B is the set of perfect square numbers. 1, 2 square is 4, 9. Then what are the numbers? 16, 4 4s are, then 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36, and 7 7s are 49, and again 64 and 81. After that there is no perfect square numbers. Then what you can write it here, n of b, that is n of b, what you can write, number of perfect square numbers below 90, number of perfect square numbers below 90. Why? Because only up to 90 is there. So n of b will be equal to, what is that? How many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 numbers are there. Then what is the probability? So probability will be equal to n of b perfect square numbers by total number of numbers. So 9 by 90, 9 1s are, 9 10s are. So 1 by 10, that is 0.1 is the probability. 0.1 is the probability. Next one, our third one. What is third one here? A number divisible by 5. A number divisible by divisible by 5. So a number divisible by 5. Let's going to take C is the event denoted drawn disk. What you can write? Drawn disk bears. Drawn disk is bears divisible number divisible by 5. Number divisible by 5. So number divisible by 5 means what you can write it here is it should be unit digit should be units place. Unit digit is 5 or 0. 5 or 0. So you can write it as 5, then 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on up to 90. So either it should be 0 or it should be 5 units place. So from 1 to 10, 5 and 10, 5 multiples. So how many are there here? So number of element. So how many are there? So 90 by 5. How many are there means we need to divide with the 95 by 5. 90 by 5. 5 ones are. Then 4, 5 eights are. So here 18 elements are there. If you count it, it will be 18. Then what is the probability? So probability of getting P of C will be equal to probability. So P of C will be equal to N of C by N of S. So number of digits, number of drawn disks which are divisible by 5 is 18 by 90. 18 by 90. So 18 ones are, then 18 fives are. 1 by 5. So 1 by 5, it is a probability of getting 0.2. So 0.2. So this is the probability. This is the way to find this. So this is the 0.9. 0.9. So like this we have to find it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and try to share with your friends and family members.